In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a gift card for someone else. We'll walk through the entire process from picking the right card to making sure it's delivered exactly when and how you want. This is simple, quick, and works for popular brands like online marketplaces, big box stores, restaurants, and more. First, choose the gift card. Start by selecting the brand the recipient will actually use. Think about where they shop or the services they love. Next, decide whether you want a digital card delivered by email or a physical card that arrives in the mail. Digital is great for last-minute gifts and easy forwarding. Physical cards feel more tangible and can be tucked into a greeting card. Before you proceed, glance at any brand-specific terms, such as where the card can be used or if there are regional limitations. Now, select the amount. Most retailers offer preset values, often ranging from small denominations up to several $100s, and some let you enter a custom amount. Choose the value that fits your budget and the occasion, then click Add to Cart. If you're unsure, remember that moderate amounts are always appreciated, and some platforms allow combining balances later. Next, enter the recipient's information. For digital delivery, type their name and the correct email address. For physical cards, enter the full mailing address, including apartment or suite details. You can usually add a short, optional message to personalize the gift. Keep it friendly and clear, and double-check all spelling to avoid delays or misdelivery. Choose the delivery method. If you selected email, you can often send it instantly or schedule it for a specific date, which is perfect for birthdays or holidays. If you chose mail, review the shipping options and estimated arrival dates. Be mindful of time zones for scheduled emails so the gift lands when you intend. Head to checkout. Click Checkout and either sign in for easier tracking and order history or continue as a guest if you prefer speed. Review your cart to confirm the brand, amount, recipient details, and delivery option. It's time to pay. Enter your payment information, such as a credit or debit card, or choose a service like a digital wallet. If there's a promo code, apply it now. Confirm the billing details and click Place Order. Your gift is sent. Digital gift cards typically arrive within minutes, though some may take a short time to process. Ask the recipient to check spam or promotions folders if needed. Physical cards will ship according to the method you chose, and you'll usually receive tracking. Keep your confirmation email handy in case you need support.